lento yethu enhlonipho has cost us.
Yeah.
You know, because they think siyiphuphu mahlonipho.
Mula lonke ama hits akhe awalona igqomo. But abe categorize ngegqomo ngenxa ukuthi ubephuma eThekwini. Yabo?
Masinyusa u350 kuba u5 blocks.
But that's dangerous, you know, because
NSFAS.
No, but the minute you learn about money, you realize that y'all ain't this scam.
Ngizovuka kuseni ngiyazi ukuthi vele ngizothola imali ngiyangisaphi lapho yabo.
I hate those people because they don't want to do nothing. So they angifanele ukuthi bese kuzula isikhova but ngo7 ngokuvala nje iconsi.
Welcome to the Ease Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Aye, namhlanje ke sishaya ngenye episode, a very special one. So in today's episode, ngiphethe amajita, ngiphethe uShepard, ngiphethe uTeddy, ngiphethe uAce, ngiphethe noBreeze. But before we do anything, I'd like all of us to introduce ourselves because this one is a very, very special episode. Yeah, it's a first of its kind. Fethu, ngaphandle ukuthi siye kude kakhulu nokufaka ku sports. Ngiyakucela mfethu, awubachazela ukuthi le out. Ehlele eduze kwami ubani. Uma ukuthi kukhona ongakwazi.
Hi, igama Malus. Shares bong. I go by the name of Purple Shepherd. Sure, Fetu. Yeah, I think Ilok of it. Kumemlas. Yeah.
Shikis.
Much.
Hola, plaza siwena uTeddy.
Hola. Hey, shap bafowethu uTeddy wakanzama yeah, waziwa ngoTeddy alikho elinye yeah ngwakamasho esinqanqaweni yeah imloyo
Ngu-Andile Ngcobo wakanyuswa la izalelwe khona. Kodwa nje manje sihlala sonke la eThekwini njengoba sesazana nje kanje. But abaningi bangazi ngelika Ace.
Oh, yes.
La Ace galithole ebholeni ke kakhulu then lase laqala laphasa ngoba eclassini sasinabantu no Ace abawu3. Ace banga uAndile Ngcobo abawu3 abase classini elilodwa yabo. So wasefuna ukuhlukanisa ukuthi umupho ubani nobani then waswathi why angithathi lasebholeni ngiphile ngalo so that's why sengiphila ngalo man.
Oh shukis. Awukhona sidlala ibhola no wayikhona Ace ukhona ongekho. Oh, awuyadlala noShipiro ngamthatha kancane.
Sibuye.
Yabo wathi make ngixoxela uShepard ukuthi udlala ibhola ngangamkhona.
Nami ngimkholiphathi lento yokujajana ngomzimba yabo.
Yeah.
Mubuka umuntu buka umzimba uyajaja uthi halo.
Akelunge ebholeni ngamgijimisa kanjani. Ake asho ukuthi uShepard khulele lokushini wayedlala emgaqweni ibhola kuyabonakala.
Amapali siwadlalile thina phela.
Yeah.
Plus yazi ama sports amaningi uzofunde kanjani lokushini ukuthi waginqa khona la emgaqweni.
Lokish likwenza ube creative, awuna choice. What you have, you want amapali itini lezi. You have to be creative and create something.
Wedlala cricket nani idlala cricket kasilakho noma? Wakuyilokhu kuphela.
Nina Teddy space asikho phethu. That's why cricket singayidlala because space asikho. Space esinaso lesesimgaqweni.
Athina sasinokudlala icricket khona la.
No phela
Sibeke team 20 liters la emgaqweni.
Phela Eastern Cape cricket is big than in KZN.
No
for real dog. No.
Okay.
No,
Eastern Cape cricket.
No, asilungise le Shepard yabo. Thina hamashi bikhona si.
No, ayinamanga Teddy. Awunamanga dog.
How?
Nini kona amashi cricket. Hayi khona tabanga la. Cricket kamashu. Oh dog. Liblologish kamashu.
I don't know why. I mean, I've always felt like mhlawumbe Eastern Cape ibhola balithanda as much as silithanda thina la.
Sure mfethu.
Yabo. Ngibona ngathi
i-rugby,
i-cricket, yeah.
Sure.
But mina sengisho indaba ukuthi Shepard
Ayisho.
imigaqo yasemlazi yakwamasha ayifani. In terms of sizes and stuff, angiyabona.
Ingcono.
Thine ngingathini ngithi ayizolo. No ingcono yethu yena mncane.
No hayi namanga. Kulami ngibhaqe amasho.
Manje ngathi sisazulalela ke
No
manje.
phela kamasho vele imigaqo khona mncane.
But ekasini lakhe
Ingakho
phela.
bevala umgaqo bokunomcimbi. Emlaza yenziwa lo shit leyo.
Ekasini lakhe phela ngithi. Ekasini
Hayi
lakhe.
kaloto. Abashu ayikho indawo. Ingakho bevala umgaqo. Emlaza indawo sinawo. Masinemcimbi siba asivali umgaqo. Abashu kuvala umgaqo kufanele seSoweto.
Yeah.
Uvala umgaqo wonke. Applyelwe ilokuza ukuthi kumele umgaqo uvalwe. Uyidlala nini cricket?
Udlala khona lapha eduze kwetende phela la kwamakhelwane.
Shithi abawushayo 6
Exactly.
abawushayo
Oh, dog.
Hawu six ukhale ewindini la kwamakhelwane. Usho khona.
Asichazele bro wami.
Yeah, uchazike thina.
uShepherd wazingaphe kwami
Uyashuta.
mashintothini mina phela because manje yabo le topic sengathi manje umashu versus umlazi
Kanti lapho uyixoxela istory sakho.
Uyangithola.
Kodwa noma kuthiwa umashu
Uyangithola.
versus umlazi. Umlazi.
Shoot wena ukhulumela umlazi wena.
No, vele ngikhulumela wona. Noma kuthiwa ke siyawuvesa ke still umlazi uyanyisa. Awutshela nje ngoyedwa ngento eyodwa nje umshito kamashu right ngayo.
Inhleba labantu
hleze uyicompetition
Uyacabanga
isitiko singekho
singekho.
singekho isitiko
Shepherd
Kodwa-ke,
kahle.
siyakuzwa Shepherd bese ukhulumile kodwa ke okay mina ngikhulume nje icricket bese idlaliwe kakhulu ngidlalile mina
Yeah.
from nje ebuncaneni bami up until nje matric ngaqeda ngidlala and maningi namajita asuke lokushini adlalayo even namanje Dolphins KZN domestic leagues everywhere cricket ikhona nje idlaliwe futhi kakhulu and njengade ngithi mina emlazi imigaqo yakhona yabo intaba kakhulu nani ngithi yabo
Sure.
and then thina more straight
flat,
every
yeah.
flat angithi yabo so ingakho thina sikhonile ukuthi sikwazi idlale and there's
Udlala
more
ama-sports,
people
yeah.
abasuka kwamasho yabo abadlala icricket than emlazi
Oh.
asikompete siyabeka
Into yokubeka nje ukuthi mina ngikhule.
phela
Yeah.
Dog.
Yena manje into angafuni uku-admit ukuthi wakhule idlalela ibhola nje kuphela.
No, I don't have a problem.
Abese azothi Eastern Cape kanjalo.
and
No,
now-
but ivadle ngisho.
But manje wena usufuna mina ngithi ke ngisuke Eastern Cape.
Usuka
Ikokustad
Bantu.
ayikho se-Eastern Cape. Use-KZN
No,
but closer kule.
No, Ikokstad Eastern Cape, dog. Eastern Cape.
Why uzophikisa umuntu
Hayi,
ekuchazela
dog,
into
no. Into yamanje leyo sekuthiwa hayi no fethu. Mhlawumbe into how many years ago, like 10 years ago, then Ikokstad isibala as KZN. But before it was fall under Eastern Cape. Sakhona ubani lo uWolomisi beki Eastern Cape.
Mfethu ucela ningamlaleli uShepherd kule nto ayishoyo. Mina ngithi ke okay, iKokstad yase ise-KZN but i-close.
Wawela umthamvuna imashini. Moya Ikokstad awuweli ibridge
Awuweli. Awuweli. Umthamvuna river la
Hayi bodoki.
Qondile mfethu.
Hayi,
Mthavuna ungala kwi-coast
mawuwela lapha uyilokhuza iCasino. Usukuphi?
Awiweli moya eKokstad.
Awuweli iCasino.
Ufana nokuthi ugudla ibhoda eKZN kanje. Eastern Cape uyibuke ngala ubuhamba eKZN.
No, phela ngithi
Uyayizwa lento engichaza nomhalela ukusho
No,
lo ufuna
ngiyakuzwa.
wena. Ngithini mina?
Uthi casino, mawuthi
Casino
izale,
yipi casino?
uthi right, iCasino fethu.
Awuyi ngale. Ujika before iCasino, ugudla iPortshepstone phakathi, ezingolweni.
Kodwa phela ikhona enye indlela ophuma ngayo ngale.
Uyalahleka ke lapho uyalahleka. So ulahleka straight. Wena uyalahleka umoya. Wena kufana nokuthi uthi umuntu oya emlazi.
Kufanele siphumele sePortshepstone.
Mano wena
Wena uthi asiphumele sePortshepstone.
fana nokuthi wena ulwela ukuthi yazi lento azami kuyichaza fana nokuthi alwela ukuthi umuntu oya emlazi suke eFlorida uzodlula emngeni. No, ikhona indlela ephuma ngale ufuna ukungena but iyathathela leya. Nazi indlela yemlazi. Injalo.
no kafethi
Majita lawa.
let simple lo mthetho
Yeah.
webhuli funa sizwe
No.
ngayo
No.
Yabo suyibambe
No.
kahleke wena injalo.
Clean nje,
No,
bethi
no,
clean.
no.
Ngoba manje yena
Uzosiklasa.
ukuthi angisethini
lutho.
emakasethi okay Shepherd ke okay
Zikwenako.
Zikwenako, sichazele ngamakhasethi.
Whatever. Muthi Eastern mathi ngisuke Eastern Cape it's fine. Ngisuke Eastern Cape.
No angili man.
Uhappy namhlanje Shepherd. Umuntu asipulisha naye but is defensive. Come on. Okusho ukuthi uzothi u-Ace uqhamuka kuphi-ke nje beqhamuka kanyusa yena.
Awusho
Ikasi
yazi.
noma yini? Ikasi
Zama
unyusa
famba
no.
la nyuso. Alo liloshi no. Liloshi no nyuso. No liloshi no nyuso.
I think it mix.
Sure.
But awukwazi vele ukuthi kusemafamu
Sama
kodwa.
fama nyuso dog.
Ngeke ngibe kanjalo because amafarm depend ukuthi kanjani. Nami mengithi ngikanyuswa ngithi mengigodiwa ngithi ngiyemakhaya. Kodwa ngikanyuswa.
Kodwa icon travel angithi. Ayi travel. Oh.
But I'm sure zikhona ezinye indawo ezirelated
Zikhona
nenyusa ezine-gravel.
ene-gravel. That's why ngithi it's a mix.
Fana nakomlazi
Khamba
kopipi
down.
ukubona leya moya yakopipi.
Engonyameni.
No engonyameni, engonyameni.
Ya engonyameni kanje.
Engonyameni.
Yini le?
No engonyameni ayifuna ndumlazi. Asiyas.
Ukuthi I think ngoba ngale mhlambe into development is slow yabo.
It's very slow,
No
yeah.
ges ukuvela kuphephula umoya uthola ukuthi
Ngiyabona sema fama ke lapho.
So
Engonyameni ayikho
ingakho
semnandi.
ngithi
Engonyameni.
Okay, asidifaneni igama
Yeah.
amakhaya wemafama.
Mangine gravel nenkomo makhaya. Mashile.
isikhona inkomo emlazi.
No, it's a cliplands.
And emlazi bane 17 so ibiza ngani?
No, phela labo abantu abaqashile. Akubona wasemlazi. Bazo ngomsebenzi la, bafika ngetruck noma ngamabhasi. Awona wasemlazi lawo bantu lapho. Ungawubabiza umsebenzi bese ngokusebenza eThekwini. Mawufika ngetruck noma ngebhasi uzosebenza awuyena eThekwini. Awu laba athi la. Awu laba bese 17. Hayibo, bantu basemlazi. Hayibo, kahleni bu. Akubona wasemlazi lawo bantu. Bazovakasha. Bazosebenza hlash. eThekwini.
Wena indaba passionate kanje yamalokishi.
Hayi boy lokishi fethu. Phuma kulona. Awu.
Umuntu angakholwa ukuthi uShepherd akalithandi lokishi yazi kwenye icontent yenza akathandi.
And yazi the funny thing is that uzalelwe khona.
Sure.
Yeah.
Even ukufunda kwakhe afundanga khona.
Yeah.
Bese boarding school.
Manje.
So yonke le uzowalibona after futhi manje yena ukhuluma ngathi yabo nje from yonke into
yazi,
lona ucheese boy lo
Uyakhumbula le nhlobo le ayifika ivele boarding school uthola ukuthi uzoyivalela ama-holiday yonke endlini ingahlali nasekhoneni. Ingakho hlezi ehleli la morning side.
No, you cannot
Bese
send
athi
them out.
lokishi
No, no ngiloshi mina. No ngiloshi.
Inqoshi shushuluza lapha
Akayazi yonke
story
leyo.
izwa ngono
Amajita adlala i-cricket yena-ke kuse-boarding school.
Yangijayezwa leyo
Yabo?
ngazositshela
Awu kahle wena.
ubulisha wena hey awusitsheke
I think bethu manje singangena kulokhunjana eserious yokuthi I think let's take this charm to introduce ourselves ngendlela yokuthi umuntu wenzani. Yabo? Yeah. Think mhlambe singaqala kuwena ubachazele abantu ukuthi wenzani, then uThedi, then no-Ace, yabo? Sengingazama ke nami but I think ukuthi I'm not sure noma bayazi nabantu noma but hayi mfethu ngiyi-podcaster, ngiyi-host ngishilo vele yeah. Ngiyadlala but yeah awusichazele Shepherd mfethu.
Well, man, I'm so right now in the space of more like I deal with the Machita, an organization called Live Conversation Over Coffee. We've been doing my session with the guys, teaching about financial literacy, you know, blockchain, Web3, and some of the nama issues and shit. Spigana na singama on mental health issues, stuff like that. Personally, I'm all in blockchain, cryptocurrency, you know, and yeah, this is one thing that is really keeping me gingalal more than anything. Understanding Web3, understanding blockchain, understanding AI, ebo. So that's where I'm at, and most of my money is on crypto. Yeah, it's one thing engangilalis every day. So as Joba see record there's a conference that is happening in Las Vegas about Bitcoin. So it's one of the biggest conferences when it comes to Bitcoin, and I'm at decision now to Tata Lapana are gonna affect the whole market and how it's moving. So Joba think long check So yeah, that's what I'm pushing, and that's what I'm on right now. Yeah.
Thank
Ha ngimzala. Thedo Wanzama. Barista, Starbucks. Should I say? Okay. Yeah. 2019, 2020 Starbucks World Barista Champion. And I'm also a Starbucks ambassador. Right now, I do partner development, educating baristas at Starbucks, teaching them, sharing the skill, knowledge, and coaching and mentoring the barista champions. So yeah, I'm in the coffee space. I love coffee. Yeah, I am coffee.
Blind umjida ngecoffee.
No, too much.
Blind babe.
No, I'll try but
But inkinga yena make idayisa manje ngazi ukuthi nje umjida nje wenza icoffee for train abantu e-Starbucks.
yeah, phela ilokish lapho makhona.
Woza bit.
That much.
Mina Andile Wangcobo, obviously I did mention ukuthi ngiphuma kwaNyuswa, but for now I am a photographer. Darklight_DBN on Instagram. And then what I do except for photography is I say I have more interest in the entertainment space. Yeah, that's what I've always been interested in. Ngikhula futhi ngikhule ngumuntu oculayo, I think, so that's why mhlambe ngiyithanda lento bengicula inotes, yabo. And then manje into engisebenza kuyona, I think I'm that one person mhlambe abantu abangamazi who's behind the biggest brand right now, I think, South African aseThekwini uDlala Thukzin. Branding wise, image wise for him, not branding. And then just also nezinto azenzayo yena ezinye ezakhe personal, lezo msebenzi, 031 Studio Camp, what's happening now with sound, what they call 3-step. I don't like calling it 3-step, yabo. I like to say sound yakhe because I know where it comes from. Yeah, so and there's a lot that's happening behind kuyena ne sound abantu abangayazi. So I think it's business to push the sound, and the sound ibe recognized South Africa. Yeah.
So is it wrong, if I can ask, for him to claim the sound ukuthi yakhe?
No, he's not claiming it. It's
So
not
it's
wrong.
wrong.
It's not wrong because vele I think uyena eThekwini oqalile mawukhumbula kahle even before. Thukzin akaza shaya iqoma yabo. Weshaya even nice cuts of Peps neWesting angashaya iqom. Yahlezi nale distinct sound yakho ungayi understand ukuthi yini yabo. Mula lonke ama hits akhe awalona iqom. But abe categorizer ngeqom ngenxa ukuthi ubephuma eThekwini, yabo. Namanje le sound ayenza, it's not 3-step, but uzo categorize 3-step because uyi Afro house. So anything Afro house but abangenayo show ukuthi Afro house bazothi 3-step, yabo. So yeah, that's why. But akaza iclaim. I don't think uyayiclaim, no.
Okay. Yeah, but if you started the sound, I don't see anything wrong by claiming it.
But I think phela inkinga yokustarta something ihlezi there's no one who can officially say ustarta something, because sometimes singayenza into kwindawo ezihlukene but ibe popular ngawe. Yabo, into kanje iyona into eyenza mhlambe naye engeke azayiclaim fully, but angayiclaim ukuthi niyaze ngami okanye yimini engidlale kakhulu unezi matches nawo buyidlala ama elements akanje ngomina, but mina bengi more consistent ngawo. Then because of that then ungayiclaim as umuntu oyiqalile because uyimele. But yeah, I think so. But enough about Thukzin, man. Sifuna Ace. Ace, I know him as a person owenza izinto eziserious kabi behind the scene, but abantu abangazazi, yabo. So I think this leads me to introducing this fully, because now umuntu melalele le intro yabona ukuthi lamajita 3 la se-introduce manje kunezinto abazenzayo, yabo. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi uThedi naye kwi-coffee industry, mfethu ungambuza noma yini ngecoffee. uThedi is one of the guys engithi mangimbuka ngibona ukuthi coffee wise cishe ngapolitika but ublind ngale
No,
ndlela
politika.
ublind
No,
ngale
politika,
ndlela
Doka. Why would politika?
yabo when it comes to
Hawu,
yabo when it
mfethu.
comes to uthethi ayikho into eyidrink enekhofi phakathi angakwazi kuyenza
Manje inkinga
Yabo.
ikupho.
ayikho inkinga uright kakhulu bese kuba ukuthi yabona Shepiri vethu the space that you hold right now in as much as abanye abantu bengekho fully aware but the space that you hold and the value that is there so that is why kumele sihlanganeni kanje sikwazi ukuthi sinikaneni lamathuba lama platform to shine the light kwizinto esizenzayo to inspire abanye abantu okanye to show nabanye abantu ukuthi lezi zinto ziyenzeka khona abantu abazenzayo yayizwa leyo nto wena ke you play a major role when it comes to opening a platform to outing with live conversations lama meetings eniba nawo ama gatherings eniba nawo ngama Saturdays where you invite amajita they share their stories abanye bayalalela abanye bayakhuluma abanye they get to consume that content ku TikTok but still they get something abangakwazanga kuzo and that's another platform ebaluleke kakhulu for amajita currently and nama topics enikhuluma ngawo manje very important omunye can deem those topics as controversial but those are the things that are necessary ukuthi kukhulunywe ngazo into uma ungavumelani ngayo share wakho umbono ku social media misi ku social media share yakho wakho umbono it's either you react to that video ngokuthi create yakho video sharing your opinion okanye you comment yayizwa lento it's the same thing so that is why ngithi mina bafethu asihlanganeni siyenze lento mina kumuntu ongazi uxaki ukuthi lena seyikhuluma kangaka eyitshela ukuthi iyazi yazi abanye abantu abazabantu yona ubani yenzani no ukanyiso Nqome one of the well known photographers eThekwini abaziyo bayazi abangazi abazi been behind ama brands amaningi mostly on more influencer level ukuthi how do we grow and build ama influence have been part of that and okunye ke it's just trying to being someone okwazi ukuthi azama uku-identify talente akwazi ukuthi alinecharishe bese uvula ama platform kanje but ke in as much as thina akasithandi kuba abantu who shines the light on themselves ngathi singavula ama platform for abantu but kwezinye indawo ezikanje kuyasikhomba ukuthi fethu lead the way so that abantu bezobona ukuthi lento iyenzeka into kanjani yabo but I want us to go back ifethu kulento imentionile ukuthi kune ikuphi le conference ekhona manje
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas
Yeah.
eyana Bitcoin
Basically
so ngisho ukuthi why ucabanga ukuthi izo influencer
well, look, kuza Bitcoin isebenza nge-narrative. So if
Yeah.
there's more adoption to it, performance is on you. You know what I mean? So if you have a lot of government, powerful people like investors, your bankers coming in one room. Right now, there's about 33,000 people that are attending it. So presidents, abanye, bankers, abanye, investors. So they're all in one room. And Michael Saylor, all these top guys that are holding a lot of Bitcoin. So they are discussing the future of money, basically what it's going to be. And that also going to affect a lot of things. Because it's not just only mining pearl. Each and every technology, it's going to be influenced by a decision as a conference. So it's a very huge conference right now because you see that America is building a Bitcoin reserve. Other countries are also following. So a Bitcoin reserve is more like when you have gold in the reserve. Same as now to like South Africa because we have gold in our reserve as well. So number 2 right now. So other countries are also following since money is going digital now. So that's why it's very important because if you have a lot of influencers, especially in Tony Zamali and Namalos in one room, so that tells you which eventually le shandis is a form of money. Like South Africa right now, Bitcoin is not recognized as money. It is recognized as a form of one of the investing vehicle tool that one can invest as an asset, but not money. In America, Bitcoin is already qualified to be money. Hence, they've started the Bitcoin reserve. Yeah, well. So yeah, it's a very important thing, and it's changing the way we see money, even changing the way we see technology. Yeah, well. Yeah.
So maybe we'll see a lot of these big guys jumping into Bitcoin, and
Already,
then meaning
dog.
which then it will influence
Already.
all the other countries.
Already,
Banging
they're already doing it. I mean, you find I think it's now there's about 95% of Bitcoin has been mined. So there's 21 million Bitcoin has ever been created. So which means like the 1.5 that is left, everybody's fighting for it now. All the big guys because of scarcity. I think Lento is 21 million. So which means Jongobu 21 million. It's going to be difficult to get it if you don't if you didn't buy it in scarcity, right? So right now Bitcoin is trading around about 2 million one Bitcoin. So if you have 1.5 that is left, and you have about 30, almost like 38 millionaires in the world, 1% of them, they are holding, they haven't invested as yet. So which means my chances the ordinary person like to buy it are very slim. Because lama sikuzoqala ngawo phela once njengoba kwenzeka ama-conference akanje, and then labantu ababa-investelayo bavele baqale bayithenge le mpahla because they have money. Where uyisebenzelayo, you don't have 2 million that is just sitting there. Yabo. So those are the things, man. But that's why I advocate about this thing kakulu online, because it's important. But if you don't hold Bitcoin it's like buying gold back in the olden days, basically.
Yeah.
Well, so if you don't have it, hey, it's gonna be difficult to survive.
That's crazy, eh?
Yeah, it is.
But I'm thinking
bruh.
about it now. So
Yeah.
1.5.
Yeah.
Everyone's fighting for that.
Yeah, that is left. That's going to be mine. Because Pelangi Tlampasha, they are miners, right? That mines it. And then they put it to the market, and then exchanges buy it, or bank or investors or BlackRock, whoever buy it. And so if they are holding it, that means like they'll put it in their own reserve. So they can't sell it because it's digital. You can't touch it. So whoever is holding it, and makwenza ama-conference akanje, because isikazi lempahla iyanyuka iveli yayo. So if you bought it early, mhlawumbe njengoba uyithenga manje, let's say 2 million. Right now Bitcoin is trading around about what, 110K in USD.
Yeah.
So which means if it goes up to, let's say, 500,000 in USD, hey, you set, bro.
Mzansi kushuthi useyijampile for wena.
You
But
set.
manje intwana esekasi mfethu that wants this thing but understand ukuthi mangifuna ukufunda ngayo ngi-understand ukuze ngibe nami part of something that's big or massive. Qalaphi?
That's what I always say, man. Like, when it comes to Lento Bitcoin, that's why I mentioned study it. You need to also understand money first. What is money? Because money changes each and every. I mean, after 100 years, money is going to change. We have seen in Mali from barter system to gold standard to fiat currency to digital money now, and now it's cryptocurrency. So because of technology. So I always say, study money first to understand what is money, and then there are platforms. But right now we know if you got a smartphone, YouTube is your first university that you go to and understand, and then from there, you build, dog. Even you go as far as using an AI, bruh. Like just to understand the basics.
So this thing is not about umuntu kuzaza aqashe wena uthi afunde Bitcoin. Angazifundela nje
You can,
azenzele
dog.
into
Yeah,
yakhe.
you can, especially now, bro. Like information fethi iningi ngale ndlela ukuthi uyayikhethela. Yabo.
Yeah.
And the basic thing that you can do, like in AI, you can just tell the AI what is Bitcoin. Just prompt the AI, and the AI will just write everything. It will go as far as giving you a link, especially Labo Cloud, ChatGPT. Give you the links of indawo ongafunda kuzona for free, just to understand this thing before you start investing. Just learn about it. Give yourself time to learn and understand why lempahla ibalulekile kangaka. Because all these guys are going for it, like your BlackRock, they are going for it like crazy. Because they know it's going to be in demand in future.
Mucabanga imali sisalele isikhathi singakanani. Money as we know it.
Like fiat.
Yeah.
fiat is gone, bro. There's no chance for fiat. There's no coming back now. You know, you find even our own reserve, they have our digital dollar now. So money is going digital completely. And it's just a matter of time before like the whole market crashes. And then they create a new form of money. That's why all these big investors like about BlackRock, now they are buying Bitcoin, now banks, they are buying Bitcoin. Because they know with ISO crash, in market, fiat. So my crasher, you know how it is. They're gonna be like,
Yeah.
okay, we have a new form of money now, which is digital. So come to us. You know, they've because we have like other cryptocurrencies like XRP, or Solana, Ethereum. So they're gonna be like, okay, cool. We have a new form of money, and this is a form of money that you're going to use. It's safer because they've bought Bitcoin first, but I need to write in their
Yeah.
reserve, and then they're gonna sell you an illusion of Bitcoin when you think it's the old thing and it's not. Which is they've created some ETFs like our BlackRock lab. So you're thinking you buy Bitcoin, but you're just buying an illusion. Same thing as paper.
Or
money.
you buy stock of their Bitcoin.
Exactly, but they're holding the real
They're
thing.
holding the real
Yeah, well,
stuff.
same
yeah.
thing with fiat money.
Nalento gold, yeah.
Yeah,
Because
because-
amaphepha
Because,
wathenga
yeah,
bona
because
babambe
banks
igold
had
uthenga
gold, yeah,
amaphepha,
and then they
yeah.
gave you paper. It's exactly the same thing. So they always repeat one and the same thing, dog.
Or do you think into manje le ekufanele ibe part of the education
Kakhulu,
system
bro.
because
Yeah,
the world is shifting
sure,
that side.
100%.
But
'Cause-
why vele singayifundisi imali ey'koleni kanti vele imali ke because they can't start now teaching us Bitcoin bengasiteachanga
Yeah.
bengasifundisanga about the fiat currency.
I think the reason why they don't want us to know about money is because they want us to be in the system of working for government and banks, you know. And because the minute you learn about money, you realize with young ain't this scam. No, seriously. You know how banks operate, bro.
Yeah.
It's the biggest scam ever. You know,
Yeah.
if you go in the rabbit hole and realize ukuthi bank is scam is cool. Bank is the only institution that is allowed to print money without working. But when if kuthiwa ufuna imali tuhamba usebenza. But bank, if ufuna imali, they just type on the database and create money out of thin air. You go labor, they don't labor. They just type money. Why? Who gives them so much power? Why when among kuthiwa ufuna imali hamba usebenza, but bona if befuna imali, they just type on that database.
Yeah.
But also it's us that typing that money.
No, but I'm saying Wuti born as a bank. It's an institution, right? So it doesn't produce anything but print money. But when you produce, because you go labor, that's your time. So you produce and you get paid. They just type and get money without working. So that's what I'm saying. That's a problem. Because if you're going to have an institution that is allowed to do that, but on the other hand, when you're not allowed to print money, because if you can print money when ungabosha money,
Usho ukuthi wena kahle kahle sonke bekumele ukuthi kunendawo la kukhiqizwa khona amaphepha sifike samswalana.
yeah, because but if that's the system that is operating, why when ungakwazi ukuprint imali? Because
Bona
if unga-
bekwazi ukuyenza
yeah,
bona.
if ungayiprint imali when uyaboshwa.
Ima why vele la majita lawo Elon Musk ezohlala namabhiliyoni amangaka kuma bank abo nabo Rupert vele why bezohlala why uzwa kuthiwa khona like fethu yazi uma ungalanda the top 100 of the richest people
Yeah.
uthi lethani le mali yenu fethu niyidedelele nabantu nihlalele naye ebhenki okanye kuma investment yenzani what good is it doing.
But most of them, they don't have cash. You know, it's just investments.
I think also
Shares,
that's
yeah.
power. More money means power. So
Yeah.
as much as now you cash njengoba usho ekugcineni bayakwazi ukuthi ngoba nginemali nguRupert ngizohamba ngiyohlala noTrump. It's not a challenge. Yeah,
Ngikhulumele lezi zasemzansi.
I understand.
Ngithi ayazini.
Ngizokhulumela South Africa yabo. I think that's why ukuthi ngisho wathi yabo nje awukhumbula nge-COVID kwenziwa leya loan kwathi uyazi actually le loan e-South Africa inganikezwa 1 million each person but they didn't because bayazi ukuthi the more besinikeza ama-million that means basinikeza i-power because manje sizoba nesay entweni eningi because abazi uyisebenzisa kanjani mhlawumbe usmart enough ukuthi nawe usungakwazi ukugenerate enye imali and then there's more people abane-voice kuyona yonke into eyenzakala e-South Africa then i-purpose ayisekho ukuthi kube khona lezi zinto lama-political parties where usibani bani ozokwazi ukumela le political party nalo ozokwazi ukuyokhuluma lapha yabo so I think into kanjalo I don't know but that's my opinion.
It's all about control at the end of the day because the top 1% doesn't want to fall under, you know. So they want to keep umcebo up. Hence now they are busy coming up with all AI and these robots so that bengeke lose imali because abakuthanda keep imali. So all of these things are going to save umcebo up. You know, because if you're gonna have an AI that's gonna be doing the work times 10 than human, you know, the AI is just servicing pair like robots. So umuntu khohlwe indaba yakhe. And then that's why they're gonna introduce like lento basic income, you know, where you just stay at home and you get paid. You know, and then they become richer and richer using all these technology.
Yeah, but why bengavele bafake lo basic income full blown out mfethu? Sazi ukuthi abantu bahola igrant ya 5,000 noma u10,000
That's
at least
gonna be-
wonke umuntu.
Because phela if you gonna
No,
but
usebenza ngoba uthanda ushaye leso sipano uthanda ukusenza because that's where I think life maybe would make sense. Abantu
I
bahamba
don't think so.
bayokwenza
I
lento
mean, for me,
abathanda
I
ukuyenza.
think humans were meant to be created.
But uyayizwa kodwa lento
No, I
engisho
get you.
because it speaks to that value yokuthi uma usuyinikeza imali you
Yeah.
do not have to labor for money, then you can go do whatever you wanted to create.
But
lento creative
But it's gonna go back to what you were saying. You need to learn about money.
True.
Because if even now njengoba usho le million, if mathiwa abantu bayanika lonke million, within unyaka lo ma million angabuyela kubona labantu ba 1% back to them. Because people don't know how to handle money.
Yeah.
So which means even if it was 12 million sonke, la South Africa ngawes, ngeke kuphela even nenyanga. You know what I mean? Imagine.
That's going to blow 2 million. I blew it
Bro.
2 million in 3 weeks.
I think phela indlela esibeka ngayo thina manje sibeka ngenye indlela. Okay, let me try to come up with this thing ngendlela different. It does not have to be imali exactly like physical cash.
Okay.
It can be more of allowance, but ezokuallowa ukuthi access zonke izinto oyidingayo. Like for example, kulelo card because bangakungaprinta mani kulelo card ukwazi ukuthenga ukudla, ukwazi ukuthenga impahla, ukwazi une access ku transport, une access kwizinto, yabo? Not ukuthi manje ke wena ke nje busunale access.
Yeah.
Usuzohamba uyothenga ama A's.
That is going to happen because there's a thing called CBDCs.
Yeah.
So CBDCs, these are like digital currencies that are controlled by government and bank. In China, they're already working. So with our own Subs Bank, you even go to the website, their Subs, you see that they're working with XRP. So XRP is one of the cryptocurrencies called Ripple. It's from America. So basically, XRP, yona ama-bank amaningi asebenzisa yona because of ukuba fast kwayo when it comes to my transaction. So XRP Ledger is able to do about 33 million transactions within a second. So most banks in Europe are adopting it. And ama-CBDCs akhelwe kuyona. So lento ishoyo into ezokwenzeka vele. Probably 2035 it might happen because that's where now kuzobe sengasekho like paper money. Everything is just going to be digital. So how do CBDC work? They work like intercredit where babheka behavior yakho. So let's say maybe you go write bad thing about Ramaphosa online. And then eventually, because now data service controller in the one. So then Batini, but no, some quarantine and everything is gonna be public because your internet is public on a blockchain ledger. So 2 hours when so punish ungathola lokho until uzube grant. Now they're also gonna check your expenditure, to spend up imali yakho. So let's say mawuholile wena nje ayivithiza imali. So imali yakho izovala from ekuseni mhlawumbe izivule ngo10 ebusuku. Then uzuyisebenzisa ngakusasa. And futhi uzobe kuthiwa no, you're only allowed maybe to shop at ShopRite kuphela mhlawumbe uthenge Mr Price. That's it. You can't buy anywhere else. So it's going to be limited for lezo indawo, and lezo indawo uzosebenza no government basically. So but it's bad because that's like controlling literally everything. Now imagine if your money is controlled by government and banks. What you going to do if you expire?
But already nje bayazidalela. Bayazidalela already. Bayazidalela already.
But that's
Mfethu,
bad.
Look
dog.
at it.
But ibuhlungu kakhulu le
Shepard,
mfethu, uyacabanga
Shepard,
mfethu.
Look at it, wait.
Ukuthi ufuna ukuthenga.
Mfethu.
Naye ngwabulala ufuna ukuthenga ama-condom awukwazi because manje uvaliwe kuzothiwa uthenga kusasa. Sho kumele ushaye uskuni. No, but that's not right.
But manje siyasho.
No, I'm just saying though,
No, but
but-
sengisho ukuthi ukhuluma indaba ukuthi sobe sesiya controlwa in
Yeah.
that way. But vele kumanje sila kanjani low key. Sicontroliwe.
No, but that's
Especially
too
uma
much
usuke
though,
espacing
bruh.
fethu ekhasi yonke into fethu ni beke kanje kuthiwa cabangani nifike la angithi yabo le ungakwazi uphumele ngaphandle once waqala kanjani even khona espacini awusayibonise ngcono in kunjani njani into le yenzeke lokushini sekugcina sewanje vele futhi uyasicontrol low key vele
So man, funa ukusarenda. So funa ukusarenda man.
Wena upresident wakho umbonile
So,
manje
ufuna
bese White House upresident uphethe umbonile awusho ngolutho uyazi ukuthi bese siphethe
Ayike pasa.
siphethe yazi mfethu it's the same thing engayisho when the time ukuzovota yabona the time ukuzovota ngabhala istatus sokuthi bafethu abayeke ukudlala ngathi bethi asambe seyobamba labo line sibesishiswa ilanga because after today abantu ekumele baphathe bazophatha asekudecide ukuthi ubani abazosiphatha la majita asedecide ukuthi ubani ozophatha eSouth Africa noma kuthiwa abadecideanga ngama faces wonke ama policies bawavumele bona bawavala
So you mean
bawavala
we should surrender because of that?
angisho ukuthi asarende ngisho ukuthi iVAR lithi currently siphethe
Sure.
yebo
Yeah.
why kungabe ukuthi uyas announce kahle ukuthi yazini bafethu nginiphethe vele so manje njengoba nginiphethe ngifuna mina izinto zihambe kanje nazi izinto ezilele zama sazi mfethu ukuthi okay sidila nalomuntu hayi ukuthi sididiswe ngabantu abafana nathi kube ngazi ukuthi ibona yabona manje fana nama politician umelo eParliament ungazi ucabanga ukuthi khona into ethena abayenzayo
Yeah.
but mfethu bayiphume not ukuthi kutheni yabo nabo mfethu baya actor kuzalo labo labali actor ngoba bayazi ukuthi ngale bahamba bayoshaya ibribe order bayidlelele imali bodwa bashaya imali serious ama politician ashaya imali serious angene eParliament ashaya overall baphume ngale bahambe ngemoto eziserious bagqoka izinto eziserious uthi yabheka uhlala emzini oserious kanjani lo muntu kodwa eParliament uzenza into ehluphekayo yayizwe lona why kungabi into esiyibonayo nje mfethu uthi okay nanzi iactor
Sidlutshise
yeah sonke mfethu yabo
Yeah, but now nani yazbolova yakho umuntu ofuna uveza yonke into ukuthi
because lento vele yabo Shepherd isikhona igrant yeingane
Yeah.
isikhona igrant yogogo usukhona u350 yabo masinyusa u350 kuba u5 blocks
But that's dangerous, you know, because
NSFAS
but awubuka ngendlela
No, but to-
vele ushawa ngakho
No.
ngona u-350.
But yeah, but you know what? I mean, my thing is with free money, dog. It's a problem because once umuntu wethu wathola into yamahhala, uyamcripplisha uyamqeda lo muntu. Because phela lo nto yamahhala, you are saying to this person, don't think about you, anything about yourself. Do not even save yourself. So just be comfortable because you know us. So siyashesha ukuba ne-entitlement in South Africans. So if you are saying to someone, I'm going to give you money, there's no free money, unfortunately.
Yeah,
You know,
never.
already we're in serious debt. We have like about 2 trillion debt as a country.
Yeah.
You know, each and every 100 rand that we are spending, the government spend almost like 13 rand who social, for all these social things and all of that, you know. So somebody else must pay for that money. Now, who's going to pay for that money? Where we are the country that is consuming, we're not producing anymore like we used to before. So, les equate to the dog. Yeah, but so if you are giving people free money, it's going to cost us.
But already it's costing us, dog.
Already,
Siyathexwa
so now if you are
everything.
saying about that so 350,
mafethu
we are bulawuli yabaqeda.
mafethu okay ngiyayi-understanda i-conversation ukuthi uma usinikeza manje imali asizukwazi ukuthi siyiphathe manje yes izosishaya vele in the next few years sisazobhetlisha nendaba yenyuka however buka intwana yangamule ekhulele emalini mfethu eyazi ukuthi imali akusiyinkinga kubo ziyahamba ziyohike leziyaziyoyihlalela elwandle zibhalela umusic opetayo zibhemele ama-trucks zifundela iy'ncwadi zigqume zibe adventurous zenze yonke lento ekuthiwa adventure egcolela ngaphandle ngoba nabanazo iy'nkinga zey'mali labantu sebeyijwayele nathi kungafika kuleso stage la uthola ukuthi ya phela the first few nje basingekayijwayeli Shepherd yabona nje basingekayijwayeli lalela mfethu uma ngase kuthiwe nje kuyaqalwa next year January zisha 10 blocks mahhala sokuzobeka amathuluzi phansi
Hey, baba.
Nah.
50
But yabo
ubhubhudwa kanjani?
njengoba sichaza mina ngi-understand le yabelungu but funa u-understand ukuthi kufuneke uma ngabe yonke into isiyenziwe ngendlela sonke umuntu senemali njengoba uchaza nawe ngesenza lutho yabo obaba bazofuna ukuyopheka etolo uba of course kusanaleyo msebenzi kanjalo yabo uba uzofuna ukuclean itheko I think mhlambe the more as a country mover towards being maybe a first class country when it comes to technology singaqala si-introduce into kanje njengoba dash ukuthi in the near future vele kungenzeka yabo ayi ukuthi mhlawumbe sekukhona ukuthi hayi seku-impossible sukuyenza cha in the near future singakwenza but sanale misebenzi edinga le abantu edinga umuntu ukuthi ayenze yabo uba uzosimuvela imali because angithi imali sanayo sisebenzisa physical so ukuze suke egoli ize la eThekwini ufuna i-transport uba uzofuna ukuyo-drive yabo because ayikho zobe senendaba ngizovuka ekuseni ngiyazi ukuthi vele ngizothola imali ngisayaphi lapho yabo that's why kade ethi nama indlela yokusi-encourage ukuthi siqhubeke sisebenze yabo hayi ukuthi abafuna usinika imali basikhombisa babafuna usinikeza imali abafuna isihlupheke nawo 350 angazi singenza no-350 but bayasifuna 350 yabo so basikhombisa ukuthi asifuni inhlupheke ngale ndlela yokuthi ugcina usuthi no anginalutho ngempela yabo bazasinikeza i-grant edladleni wonke umuntu unalo mhlawumbe nomuntu omdala ukhona ekhaya mhlawumbe uhola leyo 4,000 ugogo omkhulu yabo seno-8,000 khona iy'ngane senayo leyo income njengomndeni mhlawumbe close to 10,000 yayizo loo nto but uma ngabe sesino-10,000
sebeshawa 4,000 ugogo
no angibazi basha malini
example
sengicaki ukuthi
yes sengenze example but I think indlela yokusifundisa ukuthi kunobe khona uzodrive forklift yabo kunobe khona uzohamba yopheka esitolo uzosenzela short izinto zibuya kahle khona uzokwenza stock taking for example
yeah, that's true.
yayizo loo nto so masaba nemali imali means access njengobusho mawaba nemali nje ufuna uba oqonqa abane-access yobusha uvuke ekuseni decide ukuthi ngifuna ukuyohike iTable Mountain namhlanje asuke eThekwini ashaya iflight lapha anendaba nokuthi uba usebenza ecompany
okodwa kusho ukuthi-ke sesiyavumelana thina ukuthi le mpahla leyo kucontrola ilizwe nabantu nomhlaba le msebenzi abo-president nani inzima
sibanjiwe
because
of course.
sengisho ukuthi not unless not ngendlela yokuthi sisejele or something but making all these decisions it's not easy to say hey mangase kuthiwa sisebenzi so how are we going to develop now another system ezokwenza sure ukuthi zonke izinto emhlabeni zisenzeka yabo or else then it just changes the way of life mase sithola sonke imali sesibuyela kwimpilo yakudala ukuthi hey asena ndaba umuntu useyohantela mayifuna ukuhanta
Yeah, but
ofuna
I
ukwenzani,
still say
ofuna
that was a
ukwenzani.
better life than the one your president. You know, but as we see the evolution continue and more development because of technology, I think we might go back to that life. Because very soon, I don't think president will have position in Mhlabeni as technology evolve.
Cool.
Because you see now AI and everything, they are replacing almost everything. And now, very soon, people, and because we're going back to communal now, as Singaband, you know, Sipila as community and that. So we might go back there, and then we won't need presidents now. You know, it's gonna be like, okay, if we're using blockchain technology,
mase singawudinga upresident then
we're just gonna use computers as a DAO,
but
straight up.
but Shepard ungasho ukuthi it was better back then
Way better.
but asazi sonke and because besingekho
mase siphethe
Sila.
i-AI futhi sisazokhala sithi lezi iy'khathi
No, but
exactly.
but
and also
yeah,
bear in mind ukuthi even nakhona dala kwakuney'nduna kuney'nkosi abantu still
yeah,
balidayo basitshela ukuthi siphile kanjani low key interest because you can't do anything kwakho or la uhlala khona without communicating nenduna izinto lezo namanje emakhaya isenzeka khona ekhona upresident and stuff kwenziwa sonke lezi but now semakhaya namanje awukwazi ukuthi ungavele wenze whatever ufuna ukuyenza hayi nawu nkanyiso bram sefuna ukumuvela ngale nakuse sika la wakha I can't but umhlaba wami ispace esami angithi but angikwazi ukuthi ungenze lokho unkanyiso kubram nayi khatha la fanele ngiyokhuluma nenduna induna i-approve lokho and induna fanele ihlafune from that so vele mfethu siphila under vele control singathini isimo
khona isandla siphila phansi kwaso
bafethu
noma siyasibona noma sisiboni siyadingeka lesa
Exactly.
sandla
but I think mawibuka kanjalo but I don't think kodwa it controlled indlela abaphila ngayo abantu completely when it came to finances bengayibeka kanjalo yabo because manje what we can't run away from
it
is a
did
system of
it did from
government.
kind of a kind of way it did but not completely
Not completely yeah
because kudala I think there was a system
livestock.
where livestock
Farming.
nabafamayo
Yeah.
wena oney'nkomo ey'ningi okanye wena olokhu nja
Iyona nje.
usenduneni
Yeah.
induna ibesishere nalaba
Yeah.
abahluphekayo.
Which was beautiful, bro.
Yeah, but nakona namanje
Beautiful.
namanje we can't run away from the government system, the whole system yabo, because yonenza ukuthi kube lula ukuphila, otherwise wonke umuntu uzokwenza noma kanjani.
Fethu
Yabo.
i-government
But the
system
president-
iyona le yenza ukuthi
West.
ubhoshe la
I-West.
amasimba akho akwazi ukuhamba ayodispose kolwandle lapha angapheleli la emakhelwane ezansi.
We can't run away from
Yabo.
that. Lokho siyakudinga ukuze kuzowazi ukukhona behavior nje yabantu yabo.
Kube right.
Ukuvneka yabo nokungabi khona ubukhotheni nezinto ezikanjalo. But le esishoyo ile yokucontroller from i-hierarchy yonke masufika ku-president. Ukuthi why benze ngathi u-president yena who calls the shots when he's not.
It's not.
Yabo. When you know ukuthi there's people behind abazokwenza yonke into yabo abamtshela ukuthi okay manje siyangala. Yabo.
Manje se-America
Yeah,
siyafly so letha la majita
njengoba esho
lawa
le technology indlela enza ngayo manje izogcina sekukhona le nto ama robots no AI ukuthi okay we know ukuthi this is our system esisebenza ngayo and uzophanishwa ngale ndlela ethile but asenayo umuntu opresident abo akhona amazwe arana kanjalo yabo uthola abanayo president banama prime minister sayi governance naleyo but akekho umuntu ozothi I know mina sekuyimini commander in
I'm calling the
chief
shot.
yeah kwenziwa ngendlela okufuna expecte ngayo ukuthi into ufune zibe kanje yabo thina la eSouth Africa siphile ngazuthi the first person noma the president yena umuntu oqala ufuneka abe ne voice wona yonke into or yena umuntu ogcina ufuna abe ne voice ezintweni ezenzakalayo when it's not yabo.
Do you think fethu kubalekile nina ke majita, do you think kubalekile thina esingama arts ophuma elokishini uma kukhona into encane ehlangana ukuthi you go back and empower the youth? Because sengisho ukuthi look at the work that we do and look at the work eyenziwa yila majita la serious anenyuka. Odakha abanenyuka bayeshaya idori. Umuntu uthola isaka lakhe
Gcwala
umoya ehlalele endlini zakhe ekhala inyoni kwanye umuntu amunye ahamba ehlalele emafamu. Thina why do we feel the need ukuthi uzohamba ezikoleni uyofundisa izingane ukuthi kunekusasa nathi sizama ukuthi sibe empowerisha abantu kodwa sina focus.
I feel like ithina as this thing of siyabazi sibabonile baningi abaphume kasi sasegele bagcwala umoya sebethola isaka and sikhulile sayibuka lento mase nathi sesespace nesifila the need ukuthi labantu sesibabuka ukuthi baliflathela ilokishi yabo and manje we can't even get the inspiration kubona because the first thing mabethola isaka bagcwala umoya so manje we feeling a need ukuthi ekuse kumele share something la we need to inspire these kids ukuthi nabo babe grand because isikhathi nesikhule ngabo nesikhathi abakhula ngaso bona ku rough kakhulu kubona manje yabo elokishini mfethu edrug plug nani ayikho enye into and futhi manje ke social media nana nonke umuntu sefuna ukuba influencer akakekho umunye umuntu manje sefuna ukucabanga abroad ukuthi ekuse kunezinto kuya revolve izinto ezintsha nani boma AI crypto nani let's try that even ama sports mfethu ayizona even ama sports cabanga ke ibhola akusayo into ekhulunywa ngawa nani elokishini angithi yabo so manje uyayibuka leyo nto ukuthi efethu ubuya la buyele emuva fethu uthi faka isikole kancane and inspire these kids because usizo badinga usizo lethu futhi ngebathola indawo
and amajita nenyuka fethu awana ndaba amanye abo sengamana spend eclubini nezingwabulana.
Kunjalo, but on the other hand, I don't blame them, because sometimes we need to look at into, in their we lens because elokishini mfethu fethu abamnyama fethu bafowethu iqiniso nje ukuthi once wanemali nje mfethu kunale entitlement elokishini ukuthi kumele yayibona lonto and mfethu ibhlungu lento yokuthi once wa successful mfethu should manje uyasikweleta yabo so manje kumele nathi yabo and manje thina mfethu sifuna ukudla ama fruits yabo but asifuni mfethu ukuthi kuse mawuthi okay uphumelele kanje because we don't even go as far as asking or skhombisa ukuthi success funa uku-understand ukuthi uphumelele kanjani yabo. And then that's why amanye amarazi ebaleka because umuntu usuke eyiprotector naye mfethu impilo yakhe ngoba uyahamba lokhu uyafa mfethu. Awuhlali once wanenyuko awuhlali. I'll tell you something that happened like last month, you know, edladleni so bekuneconsi kade likhona yabo. And so what I did was asengicela amajita ukuthi avale iconsi yabo laba phezulu yabo phezulu amanye amathazo yabo lonto. Ngikutshela ukuthi mfethu audit la ngifanele ukuthi bese kuzula isikhova mfethu ngo7 ngokuvala nje iconsi. Labona babahle. So ngitshela ilokishi mina dog. Yayizwa lot. Ilokishi.
So ungashaya isiteji.
I understand ukuthi bengisusa ku roof. Bekwenzakalani? Bokugijima ikhova, gijime nezimfele, yokinto. Yacabanga vala iconsi. So nje mina kwablame mfethu mase ngokumasha. Ngiyakutshela qondini bahleka labo lo. Hey lokishi. Wa.
Ashuthi ungabhabhala la ifeni
Straight. Ukho no crane. Urenovate yonke into. Uhambile.
but kodwa Shepard yazile into efika ngimangazi akhona amajita still elokushina nesibindi sokuthi umuntu athenga isilahla ashaye isitezi esiserious ashaye mention.
No bakhona basobela.
Bona where did they get that courage and
Asona
still they live?
No unesibindi.
Noma nabo kumele sibabuze ukuthi fethu nenza kanjani so that then
But I feel like amajita kanjalo amaningi amajita that are known khona elokishini ukuthi umuntu muva kanjani.
Oh yeah.
It's rare ukuthi uthole umuntu that owns businesses or nanodokotela abathizo whatsoever yabo enza into kanjalo. Umuntu vele uyazi ukuthi Shepherd ukhulele.
Yeah, I think yeah, he's right.
So he can.
Yeah, because
and iphelele lapho.
yeah, ingenxa iskele. Yabo. So mawune iskele, yeah, awungeke. Because lapha bangenaso iskele bawo. Yabo. But mawune iskele hayi. Qinisile.
Amakasi superhero.
Yeah.
oh
No.
ilama razi esikhule vele
Exactly.
umuntu uthola ukuthi uqale ngelokhunjana encane usiyambona manje uyakunokumanje usiyoshaya ngesimuva nesi
And mombuzo.
otherwise lezi ezivele zithi
No.
emva lapho seziyabuya
ngoba nje thiwa naphela izinto bayibamba lezi as much as be smart but izinto bayibamba kulabo abafundile. Yabo. So uza sakhe istage lokushini kufuneka aqala sibone kulo fundile wayohlala kusona emhlanga yabo athi kanti kune stage esikanje othi ngisifake lokushini ngoba yena akwazi ukuhlala emhlanga yabo abahlala emhlanga nabo bazohlala ngenxa ye safe ukuthi okay senginaso lokushini but angisekho safe yabo ngobani superhero bakhe sebeyamlandela yezo into kanjalo. But I think lo ukuthi lo atuchaza mina reason why usibona isidingo sokubuye sokuphuma emakhaya I feel like konke umuntu une dream yakhe.
Sure.
Yabo phela iphupho ukuphuma vele ekhaya and ufuna uunderstand ukuthi kina kona kwakho.
Yeah.
True.
Yabo nawe unephupho unento ofuna ukuyenza mhlambe next 10 years unento esethele yona. So musa ucabanga nje bathi thina sikhule sisekhaya sikhule siba u5 sonke kufuneka konke umuntu ambondelane lapha ekhaya. Mina ngiunderstand ukuthi mase ngiqedile ekhaya nje ngafunda ngaqeda ngaphuma kwa bedroom leyo sengishiyile akuseyona yami engane ezikhulayo. Mina ngibe ne bedroom la ngihlala khona mengibuyile it's fine ngalala phansi noma ngilala la ngilala kuba nginikeze space yabo akusekona kwamphela la ikagogo kahle yabo nomama ukuthi ikama nayo mafuna yazi benza izinto zabo la ekhaya angithi nje basiphuthe sakhe eminye imizi yala ekhaya la siye khona yabo mengithola umuzi emhlanga akusho ukuthi bona bangeze emhlanga sayekubo nabo but kwami kodwa kubo bona na njengoba nabo lapha ade ngikhule khona ikama kodwa isekhaya ikwama kodwa isekhaya yabo I think into kanjalo nokuthi phela yabona ke vele esikhula bebe access ibingekho yabo yokuthi benze zonke lezi zinto sine chance ukuthi sikhethe ukuthi sifuna ukuhlala lapha yabo bona bakhulule isikhathi bengakhetha bungakwazi ukukhetha kudala it's either uhlala emlazi noma ungahlala emlazi uhlala emakhaya.
No ukuphuma mfethu in that sense vele mawukhula kumele ugcinene uphumile angithi yabo uyoqala it's like ushiya ikhaya uyoqala umndeni wakho egcineni you have to have your own family egcineni angithi so vele ukuphuma kanjalo kubalekile yabo but engikhuluma ngakho iloku okunjengokuthi as educateni kasi angithi yabo
Yeah.
ukuthi ekuse nazi ezinye indlela zokuphila angithi yabo let's inspire these kids because now niyazi sikhule nathi kwazi ukuthi fanele iphoyisa dokotela
Yeah.
nurse sesaphela leso sikhathi
Muhluleke uye retail yoshaya i-team.
angithayeza lo so manje hey,
Muhluleke bayiphoyisa.
and akekho umzali ofuna akekho umzali ofuna ingane yakhe ukuthi iyoshaya ithili laphana
Yeah.
laphana ko Shoprite nani angithi bafunela lezi zinto lezi so ukubuya ekuse kunento ekanje sekushawa isithombe manje ngeindlela ekanje there is crypto angithi yabo lo manje kuningi osungakwenza manje
Yeah.
so ukuthi sikelezise ukuthi ekuse understandani ukuthi as sikhula izinto revolve ziningi izinto that we can explore and do sibe grand egcineni angithi yabo for example ikhofi ubani mfethu ongathatha ikhofi ongacabanga ukuthi ikhofi lingakuthatha likhambisa umhlaba wonke for example.
Bayahluleka mfethu. Baningi kabi. Bayahluleka nje ukucabanga ukubona ngisho so wena kusuphambi kwabo sebekubona every day.
No, but
Bayahluleka ukubona ukuthi mengingalithatha serious ikhofi.
Yeah.
Ngingajika ngingaziwa le eItaly mfethu la kwenziwa khona imishini yekhofi.
Yeah.
Ngaziwe iowner yase Starbucks, ngaziwe iCEO, ngaziwe ipresident, ngaziwe mfethu bayahluleka sebebona izithombe za30 neCEO yase Starbucks ekuxoxela ukuthi mina ngashayela uManquzimela kodwa still kuthiwe umuntu ayicabangela ilokisho so umfakile ke Starbucks ke yeka ke lentana ese high school
Yeah,
oxoxa
but
naye.
it's conditioning, dog. No, it's beside the comfort. It's conditioning, dog. You know, that's why you can't. That's why I'm like increasing all the time. You can't save everyone in location, dog.
exactly
That's why you need to identify into anobonus ne potential usondeze zona, and then wenze sure ukuthi we shintshe ingqondo. Kumsebenzi. You know, I work with them out. It's tough, yo. It's hard, bro. It's hard, but you have to identify lezo bonus abona lezi at least khona yabo nendlela because ngeke uyishintshe zonke uzoba frustrated mina ngiyenzile lento futhi ngiyitshethi ngizosebenza ya frustrate le nto bro
Shepard
Yo.
mina Shepard I feel like ukuthi to put the word out there angithi yabo and then whoever that has interest uzobuza
Yeah.
uze right
Yeah.
angithi yabo so izinto kanje ibalekile ukuthi zibe khona
Sure.
we're putting the word out there onendebe uzozo we're not doing this ukuthi nisifuna ukushintsha wonke umuntu manje kasi and stuff
Yeah.
yabo because ngingakwenza lokho ngizama ukuplant iseed kuwena
Yeah.
angithi yabo but also kunanonkanyiso
Yeah.
now he's trying to do his own thing through you angithi yabo so noma idea ngiyibona potential nyana nani but also because unkanyiso is putting this thing kuwena egcine futhi kuba khona izinto ezishintshayo angithi ngo uthole futhi le ntwana ngathi manje silahlekile mina mfethu I work with people also we ask and there are a lot of baristas that I've been trying to mold and okay I see potential uyafika and then ngimgroom as ngimgrooma nani kukhona abanye abantu nezinye izinto angithi yabo engithola ukuthi umuntu ayibu slowly now we disconnecting ayisekho futhi leya and then if you ask them they don't even know ukuthi ekuse ngifike kanjani la yabo ngiphume kanjani esiporweni because indlela ebila ihamba kanje so it's about ukuthi fethu we're putting the word out there ukuthi ekuse listen onendlebe akezwe nansi into oyifunayo can come forward angithi yabo sizokusherela we're not trying to change everyone we can't change everyone
That's true.
Izikufana nale mpahla okudoba ukuthi uzophosa
Yeah.
enqaka iyanqaka.
Exactly,
But as long as
dog.
Yeah,
uphosile.
but that's why
Exactly.
even that la Joe Basilan, I mean we had to make a choice.
Yeah.
And follow certain individual and be exposed to certain things. That's why it's last corner today.
Yeah.
You know, it's the same thing. You know, Guti, you're not gonna save everyone. You know, it's only those who really want change. Because that's why I'm about potential. I was even telling them over the weekend. I'm like, I hate those people because they don't want to do nothing. They're just waiting because they have potential, they are gifted. Which is another thing that we the other time, you know, Guti. and we also mentioned it even earlier about indaba la eThekwini ukuthi what is it, dog, that sithi fethu sintswempu la sihlula amawatha segoli. You know, kube ngathi abafana basegoli bantswempu kanti hayi abazilutho odota abazilutho phethe abantu basegoli. Urumanje bangicaswa ngoba bayithi balayithile kanti abazilutho. Sintswempu thina la eThekwini, dog. No, serious, like to blind with la athi tswempu la. Yabo? But if it's kufika into zasegoli if senza ama big shots kanti asazilutho fethu, yabo? Why?
Kwakhona koJuice bethi thini?
Yeah, because when you feel ufika la kula ma-office aserious ufika lapho umuntu ophethiwa
Bro,
Yeah.
bro.
It's
And you know what, bro? It's another thing that we got to school even over the weekend with the conversation now about Melon. Ukuthi, like somehow, bro, lento, yeah, Nhlonipho has cost us.
Yeah.
You know, because they think see poo Nhlonipho. That's why they don't take us serious. Even kuma board meetings, must they makshaw ma percent, mevele bashaw ngo5. Kumele ngabe sithole u50, sithole u5 ngoba sibheke phansi.
Siyambo.
You know, yeah. And most of you are responsible inyoni. To our asazantalo inyoni, man. It's all best papas.
If it's my baby's rate photographer and about for ukukunikeza ishipile
Exactly. Exactly, bro. Why?
Mabasuke egoli bezobhuka photographer aseThekwini. Bacela discount ukuthi hayi bona ubiza kangaka. Wazini ngemali wena.
But my question, why have you allowed that?
But and for the more every time bona they see someone or something like KZN, they want to take that person away from KZN by umfaka space. Like I don't know how many times I've been approached also with XA.
Come to Josie.
Come to Joe's.
Wena
Let's go to
bakudinga na
Cape Town.
phesheya icost yakho so yakayixoxisa i-different.
But now and then sizobathola kanjani
Abanye abantu.
mula.
Yeah.
I think ngoba enye into igoli selanezwa le title ukuthi city for hustlers. It's a city for hustlers. So ngokwabo understanding ukuthi bona bazimali or that's where money is, yabo. So wena mawufika lapha ya ufika waseThekwini bayazi okayazi imali le abayaziyo bona, yabo. Mhlambe bona sebe invoice o 5 million wena usajabuliswa iclip.
Yeah.
Yabo. Uyazi ukuthi lo mjida mengambambisa u2 clip bonus.
Ahlangana.
Happy. Yabo. That's why nathi mesusuka la segoli mufika khona njengoba usho ufika ube humble because ngokwakhona ubona this big city iyashine le city yabo. Kumnandi la khona yonke zonke these expensive things oyibona la. Lezi singenazo thina yabo. Then mase uyaqala uyabuka ukuthi awuhlangana nomuntu ugqoka ukuthi uhamba ukuthi uhlonipha lokho wena uhlonipha yena. Uhlonipha uthi unani. Yabo bese utshela ukuthi njoba unokuthi shuthi. I understand that. By the time uthi uyaphaphamela ukuthi actually la muntu siyafana naye mhlambe ngihlani ukudlula yena.
Untswephu,
Akekho umuntu ozokusondeza enotho.
ayangibasa kanjani mfethu?
Akekho umuntu onotho osmart ohlakaniphile oyivumile.
Sure.
Kodwa uzosondeza enayo yonke into. Asondeza nayo ungenalutho. Shuthi uyazi ufunani. Uyazi uthulani kwena.
Ingakho kumele siyivume na dog. Sintswephu thina dog.
Uyazi uthulani kwena.
Siyeke lento yethu okusaba. Udlala osihlama lapho.
Fact, okay, yazi. Okay, athi ngifuna ukubuya back to leya conversation yokuthi lama outer nenyuka ayambawani kasi. Okushuthi ke asikwazi kwablame ngoba siyazi ukuthi kunzima ukuthi usizo omunye udaki. So now athi make ibheka lento athi hayi instead ukuthi ngiyithwalise umthwalo ongaka ngcono ngivele ngihambe ngiyiphile impilo yami nomndeni wami. Yabo?
Yeah, but at the end of the day, this is my thing. You can't be the only one also shine. You know, at the end of the day, there should be legacy that you must leave.
Yeah.
You know, and whenever you are the only one, back in the band. So kungconywana mani baningi. You know, because uwe it becomes a problem. So that's why ngithi thola labo babona invest akubona.
Yeah, bengisathi ngifuna ukudedela ukuthi yabo umuhlale kuma-suburbs you choose, you have a choice ukuthi
Yeah.
ufuna ukusiza abantu nobani noba.
Yeah.
Umuhlale elokishini ingane zakamakhelwane zonke ziyahlupheka.
Exactly.
Ufuna uzosiza ba
Umthwalo
wasize yodwa sesikubuka
Yeah.
kambi nangala ukuthi awayini.
awusaya kwamakhelwane u-anti la endlini ney'ngane eziwu-5 naye futhi
sisibakho labazali
Yabo ifune ushaya igrosa ifridge ligcwale lishawa wena wedwa.
Yeah,
Imagine
ngiyacabanga.
mawuhleli lapha ema-suburbsini you choose because wonke umuntu la ugrand. Yabo. So when you identify from a distance it's no ngizokhuluma nalapha.
Yeah.
Yabo ayino ngikhetha labo uyikhethela u2 wakho uphume kona akwazi ukuthi wena obasizile. Yabo. Wabasize babuya nabo sebezodonsa abadonsayo but uyenza la yonke into sesikubuka kambi uthayo yena ngobe njani. Yabo.
No, ukuthi futhi mawuyi-multiplyile kubantu iy'ngane zakho ngayihlupheka. You know, if you can multiply yourself kuyintwaneni ey'ncane.
if it's yashiwo le nto yashiwo omunye umjita owayeshayisa ama-extra class e-maths ka-matric owasezimbabwe wathi lowa mjita yabo nje banginisiza yabo nje bangenza lama-extra class ezinye zenu la azikhokhanga nokukhokha kodwa ngiyixoshi ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi mase niyi-grand ingane yami ngeke izihlupheke
Absolutely. Qinisile.
ngoba yabo lo connection engikwenza ngani la
Yeah.
njengoba nginiyeka nje nizofunda mahhala mase niyi-grand ingane zami ngeke zihlupheke
Qinisile. I mean, relationships are currency, bro, right now.
But also, I think nazo lezi zinto kanjalo izinto that we need to put it out there. People must know lezo zinto lezo. Because sometimes senze izinto thinking of it but singayiphimisi ngomlomo.
yeah
And then emva lokho ekugcineni usukwenzile wena nkanyiso lo washa ama master classes kwakhona abantu abangakhokhanga nani
Yeah.
nani bona bashayine futhi emva lokho uba nenkinga intwana yakho lapha usekhohliwe lo muntu because you didn't put it out there why planta lesinto uthi ekuse intwana yami
njengoba ngikwenzela le nto intwana yami
intwana
kumele-
yami ngeke ngalambi lo intwana yami kwenza kanje angithi yabona so nalezo zinto izinto that we need to ukuthi sibeke lapho uthi ekuse
njengoba ngiyenza le
kanje
nawe wenza kanje komunye
komunye
umuntu
umuntu
yeah
Angithi, ukuthi
ingapheleli
so-
kuwena
exactly but
Yeah.
siskande lesizo
but I think coming back to that at least kwisekle sikwazile ukuthi siyibuilde nama-out when it comes to photography I think we kind of understood that eThekwini ukuthi the people that we bring in closer balanda nabababo nabo futhi siyasizana so that sikwazi ukuthi yonke lento maseyihlangene sonke sigrand asidingi ukuthi besikhompyutha sibe sithini ya ku-social media singangapostani as friend but we know ukuthi we sit down sidiscuss sisizane la sisizana khona omunye umuntu obukayo uma engazi akazi it's fine but thina siyakwazi ukuthi sisizane sisodwa nanokuthi sikwazi ukuthi mfethu ukuthi ngiyancanywa-ke thina kwi-scheme esikwazile ukuthi sisenze lesesishuthanayo cause kunendlela esikwazi ukusizana ngazo singama-out ukubhekelana
That's good.
bhekelane ngey'pani bhekelane ngezinto ezinye ezi-different empilweni yabo into ekanjalo I think if maybe masingazama ukuthi si-create leyo mpahla leyo kuma-communities a-different okanye kwizinto esizenzayo ezi-different kungaba ngcono kakhulu I think the world would be a better place vethu
But kodwa abantu abangacabanga ukuthi just because manje ususona kumele kusize.
hayi no
Cha,
phela
no,
yenza
not in that
something
manner.
Yeah,
hayi
no,
yenza
sure,
something
Yeah, phela manje masisibeka
Angeke phela-
kuzazi ukuthi manje kusho kumele bangisize.
hayi
yabo.
wena
not
So kumele
usu-
ngifike ku-scheme sabo because bayasiza.
usuzongena kwi-DM kankanyisa uthi hayi
Sure,
Grootman
phela
wena you've made
angisushilo
it now
phela.
make us famous now
Eh,
Not-
ushilo nje.
hayi no hey baby hey baba hey baba
Yeah.
woza la ngizokukhombisa kahle
nokunye phela
Woza ngizokukhombisa.
nanenhlanhla yakho phela yazi ngaba bese kunabantu abablind othi uthole ukuthi le akaphiwanga ukuthi aziwe
ingaveli
yabo
Yeah,
oh khona umuntu oblind for example yabo le nto abantu abathiwa abane-potential kwibhola sibabonile abasebenzi nje obusho
naku-music
Kuthi
Naku-music,
baningi
baningi.
nje.
Bangakanani
Eh, baningi
abantu
umusic
behlangana
okay.
nabo.
Baningi music.
une-potential but ngoba uyazi une-potential akafuni ukwenza lutho yabo?
Ucula kamnandi kanjani mfethu?
Cwempungu.
Yeah kwazi ukuthi wonke into izovele kuthiwa hayi nayi
Yeah.
ngoba une-potential me yabo kanti wonke umuntu une-chance funeka uyisebenzele
Sure.
yabo phela kufike kube khona italent mase kuba khona i-hard work
Sure.
yonke into iyaphelezelana yabo ngeke uvele uyenze nje just
but also futhi nalezi zinto ngaze kudinga ukuthi nawe ube open minded as a
Sure.
person
Ufuniseke.
Yabo? Yeah because mangicabanga ngiyibuka le I think one day we spoke about sikhuluma ngoshepo ukuthi actually out le is a performer mfethu.
Yeah.
Ayizona i-artist mfethu ehambela lapha or when he's doing something uyabona leli artist mfethu. When you're doing something or khuluma something indlela esontweni and something you see ukuthi akuse kahle artist leli serious talk what happened to that angithi yabo but upush enye into and yaspana angithi yabo so akwazi nokuthi uzumbuza manje what happened to you being an artist
Ungathathi ivideo Shepherd no Duncan uyibeke la.
bro wami
Akanye ufake ingoma Duncan phezulu Shepherd imachine.
Yeah, nanokuthi abanye abantu bazi ezinye izinto ezenzeka behind the scenes so abasobe benga personality wise uthola ukuthi umuntu afuna uyihlanisa naye
Exactly.
yabo because as much as
Which is good.
angashela
But like,
nawo
not everyone should shine. Akufanele ama managers eThekwini afuna ukudansa nawo.
yabo so
Maphika ama manager.
uthola ukuthi
Imaphi lama manager dance stage is.
kanjani manje
Nangu Shepherd uthi kunama manager afuna ukushayina dance stage.
bala abadansayo
Angimasi ngeza kuwena phela. Uwena wazi ama manager ukhuluma ama manager okanye umqondise mayero.
angazi badansa
Yes.
safuna ngibabheka
Please keep on share ama technical difficulties. No, I think phethu yanamhlanje ngisho ukuthi singayigoqa la.
That's hope. It's fine.
Yeah, ukuyibuka lesihlaziye siphinde enye bafethu.
No, it's
Yeah.
nice. It was dope.
Bethu papa yinsha sesisha ama technical difficulties kakhulu manje. Ama glitch kule episode sezoyiposta uNkosi Sikelela nimince lapho. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Shepir,
Yes.
ngiyabonga
No,
bro.
it was fresh.
Skipper, when is the next
We're going to Joburg this weekend. We're doing Joburg this weekend. Live conversation in Durban.
issue date phela abantu abazi
Mhla
bazoyibuka next
31
year.
31 May.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sisikoli. La eThekwini next month i-dates asikayi release for next
Oh,
month because
sure.
we share once now.
Yeah.
eThekwini, yeah.
Khona ezinye izinto enihalela ukuzisho bafethu fast before si
no why no mina ngigrand
hayi ke. Siyabonga. Ivali. Siyabonga.
thathi mzala
Athi zoqhatha namajini. Yakhe majini.